Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration cos x minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. I is equal to integration cos x minus cos 2x 1 minus cos x dx. We know that in trigonometry, cos 2x value, cos x, right, as it is, cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1, okay, and 1 minus cos x, right, as it is, dx. Integration, denominator, right, as it is, cos x, and this is minus 2 cos square x plus 1. Minus multiply with minus 1, it will be plus 1, and we can write plus 1 first. Then this is cos x, okay, and this one, right, minus 2 cos square x dx, okay. Integration, denominator, right, as it is, 1 cos x we can write 2 cos x minus cos x, okay, which is cos x, and this is minus 2 cos square x dx. Integration, denominator 1 minus cos x, this is, we can write in the bracket 1 plus 2 cos x minus, from here we can take common minus cos x, okay, so here left 1, here left plus 2 cos x, okay, dx. Integration 1 minus cos x, and here now two terms, this one and this one. Here common portion is bracket portion, so we can take common 1 plus 2 cos x, here left 1, here left minus cos x dx. And now you can see 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x, which is cancel out. We got 1 plus 2 cos x dx, okay, and now we can easily integrate. When we integrate 1, we get x. When we integrate 2 cos x, which is 2 sine x plus c, and this is the answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.